so many times into smaller time frames and finding those points of interest. Now we have gone into the 5-minute time frame and found that point of interest, and the last thing we want to see is 3 and 1 minute time frame to identify that potential entry. Now on the 3-minute time frame, I'm starting to see that 50% of this level could be somewhere around the 1802 level, 285 level. So this is going to be a level that I'll be paying attention to as well. But I understand if market goes above, okay, let's see, I have a closure of a candle, okay, I have a 15-minute candle above the 1804 level, I'm entering for those potential buying opportunities. Now this is going to be a potential almost 1 to 5 risk reward, meaning that for every 1%, you can potentially be gaining somewhere around 5% on this trade. This is also at about a 200 pips TP. If we go ahead and let's actually put this at that level that I'm actually looking for market to come into, which is the 200 pip TP. And sorry, I apologize. This is actually a potential 1 to 6 risk reward. And that 1 to 6 risk reward can lead you up from 6% gain if you're risking 1% and even higher risking higher, right? Now, this is going to be a 1 to 6 risk reward for a 200 pip potential. That's what I'm looking at for gold. Now, I hope this quick session was helpful for you guys. Let me know if it was helpful. Let me know if you like these sessions, these quick recaps ahead of time, so that way you guys can look at them when market is approaching those levels. So if you did look at this trade and you do go ahead and take it and you do profit, let me know in the next video that I'll be uploading. Let me know if you had some great insights. Let me know if you would like to continue on seeing these live sessions. So with that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoyed this session. Bye.